fun together.
Diyan. Kami dalawa na lang ni Thea. Thea, dito ka. Opo. Opo. Tatayo na ako para mas kita.
Basa!
Today, we are going to practice
Yan, oh.
reading comprehension.
Oh. Basa! Reading.
Lang.
Yeah.
My
My
pet
pet
dog.
dog. Sun
Sun
is
is
my
my
pet
pet dog.
dog. Sun
Sun
likes to run and catch a ball.
a ball.
I take Sam
I take
to
Sam
the park
to the park.
every day.
Dapat
Every
ikaw
day.
mauna. Oh, bilisan mo.
My pet
And
dog.
now, it's your turn to read, children.
My pet dog. Sam is my pet dog. Sam likes to run and catch a ball. I take Sam to the park every day.
Yan.
Questions.
Ayun.
I have a pet blank.
Dog.
A cat.
A
B
dog.
pig. C dog. What
C.
is the
C.
answer?
C.
Correct. C dog.
Basa!
Question
Answer the following.
number 2. Sam likes
Basa!
to
Catch.
A. Swim. B. Run.
Run and catch a ball.
C. Eat. What
Oh.
is the answer?
Run and
Correct.
catch a ball.
B. Run and catch a ball.
Agato napakita kita kanina. Yan mo na.
Question number 3.
Basa!
I take Sam
I
to
take
the
some to the
A. Vet. B. Farm. C. Park. What is the answer?
park.
Correct. C.
Yun.
Park.
Park.
Basa!
Matt
Matt
bike
Bike.
Matt has a new bike.
The
The bike is big and blue. Matt rides
his bike
his bike to school every day.
Oh, basa nga. Ito, basa.
Lang.
And now, it's your
Stop mo
turn to
para
read,
makabasa.
children.
Basa! Go down! Oh, basa!
Matt is bike. Matt has a new bike. The bike is big and blue. Matt rides his bike to school every day. Dapat kita lahat yan.
Questions.
Yun.
Blank has a new bike.
Ha?
A.
Has a new
Mine.
bike.
B. Matt